Today I'm creating another double-sided Spider-Man cake. I'm making Spider-Man 2099 and Spider-Punk. I love these guys. Their ideologies in the movie are really what set our story into motion because they affect Miles in like very deep ways. I love Miguel O'Hara's Spider-Man suit. I love that shade of blue. Spider-Punk is definitely my favorite Spider-Man in this movie. I loved creating all of the details. Miguel O'Hara's Spider-Man suit was really simple because I had to spend more time creating Spider-Punk's outfit. His character stayed with me longer, and so I have a greater appreciation for him. I can't wait to see the sequels to this, Beyond the Spider-Verse. I think that's what they're calling it. Definitely going to see a lot of Spider-Man content on this channel. Now I'm curious, which Spider-Man variant should I turn into a cake next? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.